Summer is a time for sunny days, vacation, and warm weather, not a time for busted ACs. And as a maintenance manager, you may be feeling the heat when air conditioning units at your facility are underperforming. At State, we're here to help you keep the cool air flowing with these 3 coil care solutions. Which one is best for you? Let's take a look. Starting with ACC, a high-performance aerosol coil cleaner designed for air conditioning systems. Its penetrating foam reaches deep into evaporator coil fins to remove dirt and debris that reduce system efficiency. ACC is ideal for PTAC units as well as commercial and rooftop air conditioning systems. By keeping coils clean, ACC helps maintain peak performance and can lower energy costs. Consider ACC when rinsing is not practical or harsh cleaners are undesirable. Its self-rinsing formula means no scrubbing or rinsing is necessary, allowing the unit to be returned to service quickly. Next, let's talk about Coil Doctor. Coil Doctor is an EPA-registered aerosol cleaner and disinfectant. Its specialized surfactants penetrate and lift away heavy dirt and debris, while its disinfecting agent kills bacteria commonly found on coils. This disinfectant formula is effective against conditions that cause Legionnaire's disease. Consider Coil Doctor when it is desirable to disinfect units as well as clean them. Now, what if you want a concentrated formula to be most cost efficient? Ecolution Coil Cleaner is a neutral pH formula and is safe for all metals and less hazardous than other concentrated cleaners. It produces low odors for indoor use, ideal for HVAC units in offices, schools, hospitals, and industrial facilities. Consider Ecolution Coil Cleaner if you are looking for a concentrated formula for maximum cost efficiency. Now, if you're ready to restore your facility's AC units and beat the heat, visit www.stateindustrial.com to browse our coil care products and more.